This is diagonal mosaic stitch. It is a wonderful stitch to have in your library of stitches. It is made up of stitches over one canvas intersection, alternating with stitches over two canvas intersections. Work these rows down and up the diagonal. When you go to add your second row, you will notice how the rows fit together so that the stitches over 2 meet up with the stitches over 1 and vice versa. This stitch works particularly well for stormy night skies and water. To practice this stitch on a canvas, take our Fa La La Season's Greeting Round online class. You can see the stitch used on the leaves here.